How to inform foreign bank account on Turbotax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to determine if you need to report. You must report your foreign bank account if you had $10,000 or more in foreign accounts at any time during the year, if you own or have signatory authority over the accounts, or if you meet the IRS threshold for FATCA based on your filing status and foreign assets. Now, if you need to report FBAR, then remember that Turbotax does not file the FBAR. You must file it separately using BSA e-filing system. If you want to report FATCA, then in Turbotax, you want to head over to Deductions and Credits, then select Foreign Tax Credit, then answer questions about foreign assets. Turbotax will determine if you need to file Form 8938 and will generate it automatically. Now, you need to file your return. Form 8938 is included in your Turbotax return if required, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.